Section 2.3, Example 4. A code consists of 3 letters chosen from A to Z and 3 digits chosen from 0 to 9 with no repetition of letters or numbers. Determine the total number of possible codes. So first of all, we have letters A to Z. So there are 26 letters. And digits 0 to 9, there are 10 possible digits. So we can approach this question using our fundamental counting principle, where we want a letter, 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 and a digit, digit, digit. For this first letter, there are 26 letters to choose from. We cannot repeat letters or numbers, so whatever number goes there, we cannot place it in the second number. So now there are 25 choices for the second letter and 24 choices for the third. Similarly, we have 10 digits, so there are 10 digits to choose from to place in the first position. We cannot repeat digits, so whatever number is here, we cannot place it here. So now there are only 9 choices for the second and 8 for the third. And again, using our fundamental counting principle, the total number of ways is to multiply all of those numbers together. And we end up with a really large number, 11,232,000. Possible outcomes. Okay. We are going to kind of redo this question though. Now we are into section 2.3 talking about permutations. So the order in which these letters and digits occur does matter. So it is a permutation. We have 26 letters, and of those 26 letters, we want 3 of those letters. So 26p3. And then we're going to multiply that because again, we need 3 letters and 3 digits. So the number of ways to get 3 digits, again, it is a permutation. Order does matter. There are 10 digits to choose from, and we want to pick 3 of them. Okay, so if we actually plug this into our calculator, this is 15,600. This one is 720, and when we multiply the 2, we get the same number, 11,232,000.